Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Wallpaper engine on Motorola Edge 40 Neo. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wallpaper engine and click search, and now click install and now click open. And now you can use only default wallpapers that are already installed in this app. But if you want to use Steam Workshop wallpapers, you have to connect your phone with the PC, and I will show you now how to do that. So you have to start with connecting your phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network, and then click on here on Not Connected. Click. Now select your PC. And now on your PC you have to click here on mobile and click on connect new device, and you have to type in your code. And now, as you can see, your phone is now paired with your PC, and you can select some wallpaper, and then you have to click here on send to Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and this will take a while. And now, as you can see, you have your custom wallpaper installed, and you can align your new wallpaper, and then click here on check mark, and now click OK. And now you can click set wallpaper, and you can choose if you want to see this wallpaper on your home screen or on your home screen and lock screen. And now your wallpaper should be set. Yes, as you can see, here is my new animated wallpaper. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.